TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this TFNN midday update, and I'm also the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. We're looking at the Dow down 140 points at 27,208. That's very interesting. Why? It's stuck in this range. It's got a lot of resistance in the 27,300s to 27,450 area, but here's what's the interesting thing. Look at this. The S&P is down. The Dow's down 140. The S&P's down 0.72 at 3,004.71. This is very interesting because it's also stuck in this range, but is showing relative strength, even though the technicals, like the MACD and stochastic, are very weak. It's holding nicely above the 9-period exponential moving average. However, they are starting to get closer and closer, these 9 and 14-period moving averages. So we're going to have to say that if the S&P at any point in the next 3-4 sessions starts to trade underneath 29.85, that would be quite a serious blow. I think it would start to digest the gains, big gains it's had recently. The QQQ, that's the Index 100, is trading at up 23 cents at 194.02. It made a new all-time high today, and that says that the support level is now raised to the 192, 191 area. It has to close under 191 to really start to see deterioration in the daily chart. Weekly chart is still looking very good. And if we look at the IWM at this particular stage is trading up 41 cents. It's really the Dow with a couple of stocks. Boeing is one of them. Triple M is another. And AT&T pulling back quite sharply. So the IWM at 155.12, up 42 cents, is actually showing quite nice relative strength, going sideways, but it hasn't broken down below the 153 area. Gold is going to be interesting because gold is up just a fraction at 1422. Stuck in this range. I'm going to extend this rect out. If you're looking at the left side chart, the daily, this is the weekly, that's the monthly. Look at the daily chart. Stuck in the range. I said that any price trading within the borders of a rectangle formation can last a lot longer than your patience. It is still there. If it closes under 14, I'd say 14.15. That's a heads up to say it could go a little lower, but meantime it's stuck. And the dollar is still holding very well. It's down 6 ticks at 97.67, up in the higher range. I'll be back and we'll talk more about this as soon as I get back from my Tiger Technicians Hour. Have a wonderful day. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow, but I'd like to